Hey babes, it's Kennedi Shianne and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing a body wave Vpart wig that I received from Unice in 20 inches.
You never should have ever been true. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah.
Y'all, the goodies that Unice sent in their package is so freaking cute. Like this pen that I received, I've been using it since I got it, and I've actually got compliments on it from people at church while I was taking my notes. Like, it is so cute and sparkly. Like, these are my kind of gifts. Like, this is the stuff I prefer. In addition to my new favorite pen, I also received an eyebrow razor. And y'all, this is like, these gifts are perfect because this is stuff I just use on a daily basis. And yeah, like, these are just practical gifts. I love them. So thank you, Unice, because these, y'all did y'all thing with these. Y'all, I know it's just a pen and a razor, but I love like these types of gifts. But let's get into the wig. So the wig is a Vpart wig. I am doing it with leave out, but this wig can 100% be worn without any leave out. Y'all, I love that the wig comes with that band in the back because that just adds for extra security. So once I put that wig actually on, I'm just going to go in and clip it into my scalp, onto my braids, just, for better security.
Serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they make the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign the deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation.
So I love me some layers, and I just had went and picked up this little razor from the beauty supply store. And y'all, this is such a game changer from using just, regular scissors or an eyebrow razor. This made everything so much easier. But I'm just going in and just adding some layers. Once I'm finished layering it to my liking, I'm just going to go in with my wand curl and just start curling the hair. Y'all, I was so excited after using that razor to just get into the styling. I forgot to press out my leave out. So we're going to go in and we're going to press out our leave out. I didn't show it in the video, but I'm always using heat protectant. I cannot play because my hair, yeah, y'all, I just been suffering a little bit. So I'm extra heavy on my heat protectant now.
On mine, on the road to riches. Listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke was better, like that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better, like that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness, or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. Straight from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good.
After I finished pressing my leave out, I just continued curling the rest of my hair with the wand curl. Snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. So y'all, I'm hip now. This wax stick, it definitely did make a difference in like getting the front and my leave out a little bit more silky. So if you don't use a wax stick, I definitely recommend because it helps your hair blend a lot easier with your extensions. So when I cut the layers, I knew that I wanted it to be like more of like a feathered look, and the wand curl just wasn't achieving that. So I just went in with my flat iron and, you know, just try to feather out the layering. So y'all know if I don't do nothing else, I'm going to do my baby hairs. So I just go in and flat iron them. And low key, this is probably why I'm suffering. Like, I didn't used to always flat iron my edges, but ever since, who was it? It might have been Jada. Ever since Jada way to put us on, I have been in a chokehold, and baby, I need to get out of it. But either way, it looks cute. So I'm just going to go in and lay my edges as usual, nice and fluffy. Once I finished up with my baby hairs, I'm just combing and making sure that everything is in place and is cute and layered like how I like it. And we are done. So I'm in love with how the results look. And Unice, like I love this unit. It's so cute. And I love that you can really just do your hair in 30 minutes. But what I really, really love is that you can take her off at night. Because that's, y'all know, no hair sleep is the best sleep. But yes, y'all, this unit is so cute. Definitely check her out. And she blends really nicely with, you know, natural, non-relaxed hair. I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial, and thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.